Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. Today we will see that how we can download and install free Kaspersky antivirus on our operating system, Windows 11 operating system. So for that you can open any browser installed on your computer and you have to type download free Kaspersky. Then open up the first link, Kaspersky free antivirus, cloud antivirus for all devices. Click on it. Once the website is open, scroll down to the free plan and click on the download button. Again click on the download button. Once the file is downloaded, you can go to the downloads and click on it. Or searching for the newer version of the application. Wait for it. Welcome to Protection You Can Trust. You have to agree that I want to participate in Kaspersky Security Network and the end user license agreement. Click on install. You can also view the privacy policy here. If you see user account control in front of you, you have to click on the yes. So our installation has started. So our installation is about to complete. Perfect. You have successfully installed the Kaspersky free antivirus. Sign in to activate free protection. You can create an account, or you can sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook or sign in with Apple ID. So that's all from my side. I hope you have learned that how you can download and install free Kaspersky on Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for further tutorials. Goodbye.